Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. Habs always wake me up in the morning. He is crying all the time, facing the door. I was awake at 4 o'clock now. So anyway, guys, good morning. It's 6:30 in the morning. I cannot sleep late in this house though. My kids are crazy. Good morning guys. I was filming, guys, and then suddenly it's memory card error, so that means that clip's gone. So what I did was I went upstairs to get my sports bra because I want to do a little exercise. I think of some of the air freshener because Hubs is really bad under his chin right here. He is like really bad, and the lips also, because he's so allergic on everything, guys. Like, it's ridiculous allergic. So Tommy is mad at me last night. I told him, "Han, it's getting worse." And then the first thing he asked is, "Did you take off the oil thing, the oil thing that, smells the house good?" I said, "No, Han." So if you're really worried about him, take it off, put it somewhere, and don't put that anymore because he's allergic. He got it from his dada, guys, that allergic with oil. It's just like his real son. He got it from his dada. Anyway, guys, and also, guys, it's nice. It's my first morning that I haven't like laptop opening and editing stuff. I think this is my first morning because I'm done editing last night. I did it all. I finished the whole thing. I put the thumbnails, the tags, and so I'm just gonna do a little exercise. And I hope this steak is still good. Of course, still good. I will cut in pieces, and this is gonna be my breakfast. Steak, egg, and fried rice. Like all fried rice. This is my breakfast. Well, I cannot eat all that, guys, because it's breakfast. So I have this rice here. Rice is, you think it's a lot, but it's not. It's very little. I don't finish the whole rice, and the steak is right here. Look, steak. Oh, look at this who's here, guys. Bug. You're grabbing my arm. You're grabbing my elbow, my big boy. What is? There's no pancake. There's no bread. Nothing, big boy. Nothing. So what I do to the egg, I flip it over and I make sure that the inside is still running, and I run it to the egg, to the rice. You wanna see who's looking at me right now? Dimples. Yes, baby. Hubs, did you eat your breakfast, Hubs? Huh? Did you eat your breakfast? Every time I eat this too. Mostly this one, these two. They are my like number one. I love them so much. I show so much love to them. Like, look what happened. Ruined. You especially. Oh, you're so funny, Bug. You too. You, Roxy. You too good. Look at that eyes, guys. So cute. I know you don't eat your breakfast. She looks really sad, guys. She's always a good girl. I'll give her something. I will give you something, okay? I will give you something. You have to wait. Mama need to eat first. Okay, I'm gonna cut your hair, guys. Okay, they're cutting their hair. I am going to continue sanding and on the furniture. I was cutting Roxy's hair. I'm not even finished her haircut, and then the machine just like jump. The hair cutters jump. So now Roxy looks funny. Actually, it's fine, but she kind of look funny. Who's look funny now? You look fine, right? I'm so dusty right now. I just wear like this. I'm gonna take a shower, but I'm going to show you. I'm done. I'm done sanding. I'm done sanding the furniture, but there is one that I don't sand. The gardener is right here. Right here. This is done sanding. It's still really dusty. This one here. This is the middle. and that part over there I unscrew it and it's supposedly flip it over. And this is good because I can put makeup on here. And yeah, so it's a vanity kind of thing. And that piece over there, I unscrew the mirror. This is the mirror. And yes, so yeah, so I'm done. And this one, I don't really totally like sand this. This is really good to stand for like a picture, a little flower, a little something there, decoration to put inside. And yeah, and put flower on top of that one. It looks good that it's sanded, but how much more if it's painted? So that's really it, guys. I need to shower. I'm kind of hungry, but I will eat later on. Anyway, look, Roxy looks so funny. Everything is not done to you, baby. Psh, psh. Hard head. Look, she's sit over there, but she's wiggling. She want me to play with her. And she's listening while I'm talking. You cannot go out because there's gardener over there. Did you see the gardener outside? They're out there and you're in there, in here. He's picking the raspberry. He stop over there and eat raspberry. Look, he's eating it. It's okay. I don't get mad. He's picking raspberries. It's okay. You know, at least somebody ate it. Anyway, guys, the one that I picked up the last time, I don't even finish it. I end up throwing out. And what is that? The cherries too. Luckily, I gave half of it to my sister-in-law. I have to wait until my hair dry because I will iron it because I'm going to get something grocery. I'm gonna go to grocery to get some stuff. I have to write it down, guys, because I don't wanna stand in the at the grocery and then kinda thinking, what do I need? Nawawala yung ano, guys. I really need to order another eyebrow pencil oil. That eyebrow pencil, guys, that you know me, the one that I told you, yung Oprah. So I guess I'm gonna use this Maybelline Brow Drama. I kinda doesn't like this actually. I don't like it, but I don't have a choice. Lagay, da-da-dee-da-dee-da-da. Roxy, you look funny, Rox. You still have a long hair everywhere. In your belly, in your leg. Look at that cell, guys. What is it? What is it? What is it? Huh? What is it? What is it? Look at that cell. What is it? Huh? What is it? What is it now? What is it now? Oh, that furniture. I'm happy that I'm done sanding that one because, oh my God. Ay, nagkakaluka talaga, guys. Nagkakaluka. Hold on, guys. Hold on and hold on and hold on. Oh, that's my butt. I locked my butt. Oh my God, I forgot to close this door. This one. This is off. And also, guys, I am planning to look for Tagalog songs. You know, yung mga Tagalog, guys, I want a Tagalog song to be uploaded on my iPad that I can listen Tagalog music, guys. I'm not, oh my God, the light is on. Seriously, I always forget. This is what Tommy doesn't like. I forget to close the window. I forget to shut the light off. And he said the battery, Han, will be die. We're going to die if you don't kill the batteries. If you don't like, how do you call that? If you don't turn the, you know, yung light. And I'm going to research what paint for wood that it won't stick, because some of the paint, guys, the oil base that I painted on inside the house, Tam and I picked that oil base white thing, you know, the where we put the TV on top of the fireplace. When we put something in there and then few days later it will stuck, and then it won't go. When you try to take it off, it's stuck. And so yeah, that's what happened. And okay, guys, bye. Listen to music. I'm home and it's thundering and it's thunderum. It's going to rain. Okay, let me check Tommy to let Tommy know. Okay, guys, I'm here. Oh, I will show you what I got, guys. It's not a lot. I don't even get the Tommy told me for burger. I got this, guys, the whole black pepper, paminta, taro root for my sinigang, also a red bell pepper, and I got tomato for my sinigang, garlic because we don't have garlic, spinach for my sinigang tomorrow, the unsalted margarine for, you know, I use that every day, milk, and they don't have a big one, the creamer original one, pork ribs, spare ribs. She love it, guys. She love it here. The first time when she get here, it's really uncomfortable for her. She doesn't like it. Now she does. Oh, the storm, guys. Oh my god. The dogs are outside, and then when the wind kick in, when the wind kick in, Roxy and Misty went crazy. They're afraid of everything. You're afraid of everything, baby. You're embarrassed. Are you embarrassed that I tell our friends? Are you embarrassed that I tell our friends that you're nervous? Alam nyo noon, sabi ko sa sarili ko, is it going to rain in America? Is there any sun in America? Is the cloud is white in America? I have that question in my mind. That same thing, but the only thing is there's like 4 seasons here. I just got here and then it's raining. You're okay na? Are you okay na? Are you Okinawa? Are you? He's snipping my mouth because I eat ice candy. I love you very much, boy. He sleep with me every night, right? You don't sleep with me from 2 days and then you came back to me. You came back to mama. I'm happy you eat your din, my love. Let me see your lips. Oh, it's getting better. It's not scattered. Dear guys. Tignan niyo. At saka bunny rabbit. Tignan niyo yung deer ay nakatingin lang sa akin. Just looking at me. What a pretty there. Diba ganda? Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo, guys. Yung bunny rabbit papunta sa ano? Sa deer. Hindi siya gumagalaw. Tignan nyo. Ay, nako. Hindi talaga siya gumagalaw. Buti na lang hindi nakita ng aso. Hindi siya gumagalaw, guys. Andun lang siya. Wala siyang imik. Ay, nako. I want my camera. I want the other camera. Tignan natin kung andun pa. Rox, there's a bunny rabbit. Roxy, there's a bunny rabbit. And your sister or mother or your brother or your father, I don't know. Stop it. Roxy smell it, I think. Yeah, Roxy. Nakita niya, guys. Nakita niya. Naamoy niya ata. Look, tignan nyo yung grass, guys. Diba yellow? Yellow siya. Kasi sobrang init kasi, guys. Ano na, guys, eat something na. Punta na ako sa taas after this. Kasi kailangan kong wala akong magawa, guys. Palagi na lang ako sa computer. So, I'm going to like hang some Tammy's clothes in the closet. Hi guys, I applied the chemical already on my face, and I'm going to end this vlog. I get rid of the box over here. Well, actually it's in the box is over here. It's out in the hallway. It's ready to go to the attic tomorrow. I'm not going to the attic tonight. So I have some few stuff here. This is what you see Tommy all the time, because this is what he wear here in the house, but I wash it all the time. And this is his, you know, he doesn't wear a lot of this. He wear under with that, because all his clothes, guys, is always long sleeve, and sometimes if he feel like wearing under it, that's it. That's who he is. So anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, good night.
What kind of cheese you say? Mountain cheese sauce, yeah? Any other time?
For my plan guys, ito yung this drawer, this one. It's a nice drawer, right? But